Me and Kaylee walk on the wild side. That's right. Walking in the rain.
While eating beef jerky.
Okay, that was kind of lame. Yeah. We were at Co-op in the place where I used to work. That is not the place where I used to work anymore. Somebody bought it. And that is Co-op. We are walking and it's raining and cold and windy. We're adventurers, really.
It's girl puddle jumping.
You're retarded. How is that adventuring? It's like, yay! I'm cute! I like that. It's good. And then we got a giant puddle.
We should go see the dogs.
In the bar. They want to be outside. It's raining and they're not.
Yeah, they were outside when it was like really windy and I was watching them.
And then, yeah, that's the bar slash hotel slash restaurant. That's just that. That is the hall where events are held. That beside
down
it,
that alley,
the Bubs. What?
down that alley is the pregnant dog.
That we take care of.
Every
And
other
that-
dog.
Well, that's the Co-op still. And this right there is the post office. I like the post office. Do you like the post office? We like the post office. It's warm. See? There's people in the post office? What time is it? Shouldn't that be closed?
5.
Oh, that's why it's open now.
What's that?
Some person. That used to be the hairdresser. That's sad. Let's see. Random leafy green stuff. Reliable Motors. Used to be Bubs. Bub owns it. I'm lame. We're really lame.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so cold. I know the people who live there. They're related to someone I went to school with. I know the person who lives there and the person beside it. This is just sad.
You know everybody in your town?
The lady who lives there used to be the school secretary. But she retired because she's smart. That's a pig. Fake, but it's a pig. And Kaylee's wearing my hat. So her hair doesn't get disturbed. Okay, bye.